Come on a walk with us while I discuss the effects of nature on a child's development. Not only does outdoor exposure allow for more exercise for your little one, there's research that proves spending time in nature improves a child's attention capacity, concentration ability, motor coordination, social skills, stress levels, and even academic performance. Introducing our little ones at an early age to their natural surroundings also allows them to build new perspectives and boost their critical thinking skills, while also gaining a respect for nature and all it has to offer. Your child's also able to work through all of their senses and be more in tune with their bodies when in nature. I truly believe nature helps our children be confident, inquisitive, resilient, and happy individuals. So get your walking shoes on and coats if you're freezing like we are, and go make memories. Bye.